Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to draw custom shapes for images using ClipPath with CSS. So let's get started. So firstly, here you can see this is my image, okay, and I have created an application using Vite. You don't have to use Vite, you just require an index.html as well as a CSS file. And if I show you quickly my setup, here I have two SVG icons which I will come back to later, because with the help of this SVG icon only we will able to draw custom shape. You can create SVG icon using anything like Figma or Illustrator. I'm not really good at it, that's why I have downloaded free icons from the web, but you can use whatever SVG icon you feel like. Here is our normal image which I am using. This is my index.html. Here you can see I'm referencing the CSS file. Here is our image tag, pretty simple, okay. And if you see my CSS, for image, for the div which is parent to our image, I have given this particular width, use whatever you feel like. And image, I have given this particular thing, use whatever you feel like, okay. Now I will show you the first one, which is this arrow image. First I'll show you how the arrow image looks like. So I'll just copy this SVG and I'll paste it inside my HTML. And if I show you, here you can see, you are able to see this arrow right at the left hand corner. I'm not sure if that is visible to you. Now I want this arrow icon, arrow shape, to be applied to my main image. So for that, what you will have to do is, firstly go to your SVG, okay, and what I will do, I'll move this path. You will see this path something like this on a new line, okay. I'll do this, then I will just copy this. I will explain it to you what exactly I'm doing. Go to your SVG, paste it over here, this ClipPath XML property, and we also have to close that ClipPath, okay. So I'll just again copy this and paste it over here, okay. Now first is, you have to give it some ID, name it whatever you feel like. I'll just name it as arrow, okay. ClipPath units will be always object bounding box. This will help us to achieve responsiveness. Then we have to give scales. Now from where did I get this value? Actually these are wrong values, so I'll just remove this. I need the scale value, so you have to look for the width property. So you can just go to your calculator. So I can do 1 divided by 12 because that is the width, right? And I will just copy this and I'll paste it over here, okay. Then I'll do comma, then is the height is 13, right? So again I can do 1 divided by 13. I'll do equal to, and again I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here, okay. So this is done. Now you will have to go to CSS, and for your image tag you just have to use something like this, ClipPath, the path to your SVG. So my SVG is located inside the public folder, that's why I'm using Vite. The name of your SVG icon, hashtag followed by the ID which you have given. I have given it as arrow. So I'll just save this, and if I go here, you can see, if you are not able to see, just refresh and you should be able to see. Here you can see I was able to achieve this icon. Now I have one more SVG, so I'll just comment this out. I'll uncomment this. So I want to apply the heart as well. This is not exactly heart, I have named it wrong. So if I show you the SVG how it looks like, I'll just remove this original SVG which I had, paste it over here, and here you can see I now want this particular icon, this particular shape, right, for this image. So I have already applied the ClipPath of heart.svg heart. So if you see this heart.svg, it does not have that ClipPath property. So again I'll go over here, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here, and we need to close this as well. So I'll copy this as well and I'll go over here and I'll paste it. Again the same thing, the ID is heart, that's why I'm using heart over here. This is the name of the SVG which is located in the public folder, ClipPath unit object bounding box. And for transform, I divided 1 divided by 24, you will get this value. So the width and height is same, okay. So that's it. Now if I go, I'll have to refresh. Here you can see I was able to achieve this icon, this shape as well. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, now unfortunately this method works only on Firefox, but we want to make it on work on all browsers. So if I go to Firefox, here you can see I'm able to see it like this, but if I go to Safari, if I try to reload, the effect does not take place. So how to do this on all other on all browsers? Even on Chrome it does not work, at least at the time of me recording this video. So what you will have to do is, firstly, I'll just move this down so that you can see my code. Firstly, you can just copy this entire thing. Okay, go to index.html and paste it like this. So I'll just uncomment this. Okay, paste your code like this, but make sure you change the width equal to 0, height equal to 0. Here you can see the width and height is 12 and 13, but here I have changed the width equal to 0, height equal to 0. Now the id is row, right? So what you will have to do in styles.css is go to styles.css, comment this out, and you will use something like this: url hashtag arrow, because this is the id of my clip path. So whatever is the id of your clip path, use that one. And now if I go to Safari, here you can see it is working on Safari as well as it is working on Firefox as well. So yeah, we can do the same thing for this particular heart. Where is it? Again, it is not really an heart. I have renamed it to shape.svg. So again, you can just use this clip path code which I have. So I'll just copy it just to save time. So I'll just we don't have to make changes over here, we'll have to make the changes inside our HTML. So I am just adding it over here. You don't need to really add it. So we have to do 1 divided by 24, right? So 1 what is 1 divided by 24 is almost 0.041666. okay, so I can do the 0.04166667, okay, something like this. And I can just copy this and I can paste it over here. Again, it won't work for like this on all browsers except Safari. So I'll just have to copy this and I'll just comment this, I'll paste it over here, and I will have to make okay, so height and width is not height 0, width is also 0. okay, and what is the id? Arrow. So I will change it over no, sorry, okay, I have kept the same id. Maybe I can change the id as shape. I'll just do Ctrl S and I can use it like this. And here you can see now it is able to see on Safari as well as on Firefox. So yeah, that's it. I think the problem here, what's happening is, I'll just move this svg outside of our div. Let's see, because it is occupying a little bit of, so here you can see it at the top, it is occupying this particular height, which looks a little weird to me, but yeah, it is what it is. Unfortunately we can't really do anything. Let's try, does it work like this? Oh yeah, but it won't work on other browsers. So hopefully you are getting what I'm trying to say. I'll just uncomment. You can put this svg anywhere, but yeah, then you will have to make sure you style the svg somehow, because the width and height, even though it is 0 by 0, somehow I feel that it is still occupying some width and height. But anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.